All right, good morning, guys. Day 4, yeah, day 4 in Chicago. Came out to the pier because we're gonna be going on a boat ride, and I already know for a fact it's gonna be super windy. So you guys probably won't be able to hear when I'm on there, but I'll just show you guys, bring you guys along. But I mean, dude, look at this view. I already took some pictures. It looks amazing. Got the Rotary building right there, or I think that's what it's called. Ferris wheel. All the buildings far away. Yeah, so they're over there buying the tickets right now. Thought I would start a little vlog right now. And yeah, so enjoy the ride. Well, it turns out we have to wait for freaking 2 hours. Yeah, so I think we're just gonna be walking around. Yeah, freaking tired of walking. Especially going up those steps at the Bear Stadium. Oh man, I freaking woke up tired. Yeah, oh, bird. More. Alrighty guys, I got an ice cream. It's their Chicago special. And yeah, it comes with orange sherbet, pistachio ice cream. I forgot what the middle one was. I think it was strawberry and chocolate. Oh, I think the orange one was Palmer House. So like it contains like walnut, something like that. But yeah, I got a lot to eat, so I'm gonna get to it. Looks pretty good. Oy. Hopefully I don't drop it.
You're gonna get what? You're gonna get shot right now. But both moves is gonna be moving.
We're going on the Sea Dog on the yellow one. As you can see. Sea Dog. And we're gonna be in the front. And luckily it's kind of warmish over here. Holy shoot, I can feel it going up and down. You got some suspension on the seats.
Thank you, folks. Thank you all. I will be sticking to my day job. This office space.
Good afternoon, people. It is day 4? Wait, where are we at? Day 5? Day 4? Yeah, I lost track. Yeah. So today we are going to visit the, I forgot what stadium this is, but we're going to go and see Michael Jordan's statue. And hopefully the store is open because we heard it's inside. And yeah, so last night I was reviewing the footage, and on the computer it sounded like the audio was getting a little like choppy, so I reduced the audio level and hopefully this sounds better. So yeah, let's go check it out. So this is what it's called. We got hockey statues right there because yeah, hockey, basketball, they all play in this stadium. And I wonder if it's open. Might have to go through that doors over there, or maybe, oh wait, this door is cracked. Oh, we got Queens. This is pretty cool, honestly. It seems like they're recording in there, maybe for, or they're setting up. Team store over there, and then the famous Michael Jordan statue. Check it out right now. Waiting for these slowpokes. There it is. And we have I guess their accomplishment, or his, I think his time in the Bulls. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Achievements and honors. Go ahead and pause if you guys want to read it. And then his NBA accomplishments, it looks like. Yeah, pretty cool. Well, go check out the store real quick. And yeah, I wonder if they are recording or something. Yeah. Woo. Alrighty guys, last day. And well, good morning. It's like 11:30 and we have to leave, but we got all the luggage in the back packed, as you can see. And yeah, so just gotta say our goodbyes and back to Cali and back on the plane. All right, it should be fun. And yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, just got checked through security and we're all clear. So now we gotta wait like maybe a little over 2 hours for a flight, because it's like 1 o'clock and yeah, let me see, 1:10, and our flight's at 3:40. So yeah, oh, there's bear stuff right there. I'm gonna check that out real quick. Let's go. 1749 round 2. It's time. Oh my god, we're back home. Finally, back home.
526. Time
Let's
change.
go. Oh, I can't wait to be in my bed now.
I'm getting.
Alrighty, guys, we are now out of the plane. Landed better than the first time. But yeah, during the trip we hit crazy turbulence to the point where the plane tilted a little bit, but they corrected it, luckily. And we're like maybe 10 minutes away from the airport when that happened. But yeah, so we're getting on the bus, and I'll see you guys when we get to the car. Yeah, found our rental vehicle, another van. I think it's the same one as the first one, but in white. Let's go. And right now, just packing up the stuff in the back. Luckily, this one has a big old trunk. And yeah, and time to go grab something to eat, probably from McDonald's, and go home finally. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, we are back home finally. Got here like 10:30, and you know, I'm tired now. I'm gonna take a shower, go to bed, and yeah. So in the morning, I gotta unpack. And what the frick? Right, come back, get over here. She ran to the bathroom. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this trip. I'm probably gonna have these videos, multiple videos, multiple days. And I don't know if you guys hear that, but Daisy is back. She got dropped off. Daisy, what is going on? But yeah, so if you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family. You know, it's not the typical car content, but it's a trip to Chicago. So yeah, and subscribe with that notification bell on. Until next time, peace.